Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video we are going to look into the question, what is the future of manual testing and manual testing career. So let's get started. I hear a lot of questions like this. So is manual testing dying or is manual testing good? So people get a lot of confusion and I hear a lot of questions like this. Even further, is manual testing bad career or is manual testing replaced by automation testing? So there is a lot of confusion about that, and as a fresher or like if you are experienced manual tester, people get these questions and confusion a lot. So let's look into the answer. So the best answer is, so this is the answer from my side. Manual testing is really important, and in fact it is required for stable and approved functionality as per the requirements. Initially, when you are starting with a feature, when it is in development stage, definitely it is not stable, you cannot automate. So at that time manual testing is really critical. You need to do manual testing for that feature and then make sure that it is as per the requirements, it is stable. Then only we can start with the automation testing. So for that initial part, until the feature is stable, until the functionality is as per the requirements, the manual testing is like really critical and important. Then manual testing is going to stay. So for that initial part or for that stable and approved functionality stage, manual testing is going to stay. Even further to that, at the same time everything cannot be automated. So you can't automate everything, like usability testing or few domain knowledge things, few domain specific functionality you cannot automate. So considering all this, manual testing is going to stay. Then coming to automation testing can only be started after stable functionality and properly written test cases. You cannot just go and start automation testing. For that, the feature need to be stable, it should be working as per the requirements, even there should be properly written test cases. So till that part, to achieve that, we need manual testing. Then if you are repeating the same work again and again manually, we need automation testing. Then one more advantage of manual testing is it is going to make you subject matter expert. Like you are going to get into the requirements, you are going to get into the product functionality, and you are going to get into the domain knowledge. So with manual testing you are going to become like a product expert or functionality or domain knowledge expert. So it's going to make you subject matter expert. Then once you have like stable functionality, properly written test cases, and for the feature all looks good, then don't do the same manual work repeatedly, then go for automation. If you are repeating the same manual work again and again, then go for automation. Now we have seen the future of manual testing. Let's see the future of manual testing career. So within the current market, considering the current job requirements and the trend companies are following, if you have only manual testing skills, it is not enough. Companies are aiming for automation and they are looking to hire testers with multiple skills. So the current trend is companies are looking to hire testers with multiple skills, like manual plus web automation plus mobile automation, or a kind of like all-round tester. So it's like for the salary or for the package the companies are giving, they are looking for a kind of all-rounder tester or testers with as many skills as possible. So that's the trend going on now. Manual testing for new features is going to be there, so that is going to be there. Then further to that, more and more tools are coming to reduce manual testing and different areas of that. So there are new tools evolving, like all-in-one automation tools. Even Selenium 4 is coming. So there are more and more tools are coming. Even automation testing tools are evolving, and they are trying to reduce the manual testing work and different areas of that. So considering this, what I am going to say is manual testing is going to be there, but slowly only manual testing jobs. If you have like only manual testing skills or only manual testing jobs, there is going to be hard time for that. So don't just be a manual tester or don't just target manual testing jobs. Even manual testing work itself, that is going to be reduced with the automation tools. It all depends upon how the automation testing tools are going to evolve. With AI and ML, that is like artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation testing tools can evolve a lot. It all depends upon the future and how these automation tools can evolve. Okay, so let's go further I have a question for you. As a manual tester, what is your top challenge? So either it is like learning a programming language or finding out the best tool, or different challenges you are facing as a manual tester, mention in the comment section. We are going to help you. And also if you have any questions related to manual testing career or future, mention in the comment section. Then what is next for you? So that's the future of manual testing. That's the future of manual testing career. What is next for you? So I would suggest research and find out the best trending skills, like these are the best trending skills, and start learning them. I would suggest learning automation, then definitely considering the tools mentioned here. So I would suggest first go for web automation. Selenium is the top market leader now. Then go for mobile automation. Appium is the top market leader now. Then go for API automation. REST Assured is the top market leader now. So these three automation skills like web automation, mobile automation, API automation, they are really important. For the same functionality, there can be like website, there can be mobile app, there can be like API level testing. So these three skills are really important, and top three market leaders, like top three automation tools for those skills are mentioned here, like Selenium, Appium and REST Assured. I would say start with Selenium. If you have already learned Selenium, consider learning Appium or REST Assured. So if you are a fresher or if you are a manual tester, it takes around 3 months to properly learn an automation tool like Selenium, along with good programming language skills. You can consider Java or C#, Python, like that. So learning the automation tool, then learning the programming language, it will take around 3 months. But the good thing is, once you learn Selenium, the same logic, the same concepts you can apply to Appium or REST Assured as well. All these three are open source, and pretty much they have like most of the things in common. So once you learn Selenium and a good programming language like Java or C#, then learning Appium or REST Assured is going to be easy. So I would say make a plan and then start learning the best automation tool, either Selenium or Appium or REST Assured, based on your current learning state. Then going further, so I have a video, this is really good. So how to switch from manual to automation testing. I have mentioned different important aspects and key facts in terms of switching from manual to automation testing. This link is also there in the video description. If you go to video description, you can find out this link. So watch this video and you can find information about switching to automation testing. Okay, so subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment on the video. And also if you have any questions related to manual testing, this video, or if you want me to do any question specific video, mention in the comment section. We will answer that. Thank you for watching this video and for your time. See you in the next video.